good, YouTube? Back at it with another vlog. Today's a special day, one of my favorite holidays, 4th of July. Today's gonna be an incredible day. It's gonna be a lot of festivities. I got a block party I gotta go to. Waterfront Park gonna have something going on. Today's gonna be lit. But right now, I'm in Menards. I'm finna give me a couple fireworks so I can light something on fire. I ain't gonna go too crazy, but I'm gonna give me a couple things. All right, y'all, this is what Menards got for the fireworks. Remember, I'm not too familiar with fireworks. I don't really buy them. I just light them up. But I might get this right here since it got like a whole little package. It come with some cards. I ain't getting that shit. I don't want no damn cards. It got the Night Terror fountain. Excuse me, boss man. You know anything about fireworks?
No.
You don't know nothing about fireworks neither? I guess I gotta play the guessing game then. Whatever.
It's just too expensive.
I know it is. My uncle, he done spent 3 bands on getting fireworks.
My little grandbaby, she loves frogs.
Yeah.
So I'm getting this one frog. That's all I'm spending this money on is one thing. That's it.
What you said? I think I might get that too. It's pretty. It might be. It comes with what?
12 pieces.
Now, there's 12 pieces in the whole container, I think.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it must be pretty explosive if it's worth $25.
I don't know if it's worth that.
What you said?
You have a go, man.
All right, me too. What is this right here? Nah, this must be. Oh yeah, this that thing. I can feel it. That's that. Yeah, that's gonna come with that boom. I think I might get that. Think I should get that? All right, y'all. I came to my conclusion. I'm gonna get this one. Let me get this one.
I like the lucky
leprechaun. Yeah.
But the finale is nice too.
Yeah. Yeah, a little starter pack. I ain't gonna go too crazy. Just touched down at the block party for my folks. We're doing it real big. You got the married couple right here. Mr. Fly Guy. What you got? Oh damn. What you got to say to YouTube, man? Happy 4th. Ew. Hey girl. I think you already got it right. Block party. That's how we do it. It's hot as Satan's toenails out this motherfucker. Okay. You got me? 4K, check me out. Am I stepping? Okay. This is something slight. Cool. He said my whole flow. He said I stole this flow. Tell him I've been doing this shit before when you was in diapers. Come on, man. I've been doing this before you was in diapers, man. It's hot as a motherfucker. I told you. I'm still outside with the hose. Just eating hot fries? Yeah, sure, get it, girl. Should be alright. My granddaddy that got through. My granddaddy that came through. Granddaddy, what's the word, OG? Man, how you doing? Chilling?
Yeah. See the gangs out here.
Yeah, the whole gang's out here, man. We doing it up.
Kids having a ball, right?
Yeah, they got the jumpy house. We're finna get to lighting the fireworks in a second. Kids doing their thug thizzle. We over here by the cornfields. Where Jeepers Creepers sleep. Trying to see how much fireworks this nigga got. How much firepower he done brought. Oh shit. Goddamn.
Big boys.
He got double trouble.
Never seen this. You ain't never seen a drone firework.
Oh, hell no.
Look,
that's an exclusive
down
shit.
in the comments, if you ain't never had one.
Never ever. What the fuck is that?
Shit.
Yeah, you making my shit look like it's nothing. Oh. Are you finna power? You finna tear the streets up tonight. He gonna tear the streets up tonight. What that motherfucker just fly? You gonna show? Go share and show. Oh shit. Yeah. Yeah. How you know the count, my nigga? You just like that? This nigga know the count and everything. It's sold up out here, man. They done shut the waterfront down. Ain't nowhere to park. But ain't no fireworks though. Yeah. Is that the whole thing?
It's two of them though.
So they light together?
I guess. Nah, they all got separate strings. We gotta get the strings out. You ain't got no scissors?
All right.
Hold on, never mind.
I'm gonna light one, you light one.
All right. Oh yeah, they all separate.
They all say, oh yeah, for sure.
Damn.
That's a bomb, that's what it is.
All right, y'all ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, I'm trying to make sure they at least stay up.
You ain't light it, cuz. Oh shit! Oh shit! That's crazy, boy. That motherfucker's a bomb. We like bombs out here, man. Look, cuz said she won't get in on it. You don't think we can light it all one time?
That's gonna blow the whole neighborhood.
He says it's gonna blow the whole neighborhood up. You talk about putting all them bitches together, all these bombs together.
It's the final event. It's go big or go home, baby.
Yeah.
So we live around here.
You think they're gonna, if we light them all together? Okay, well.
We might go to jail for this one.
Final finale. Let's get it. Fuck it, let's do it. We done tied 2 bombs together. Nigga, the shit we finna do is against the law.
I think. Let's hope not.
We don't live here though.
I'm from California, man.
I'm from France. Oui. CC.
You got light like it, so don't want to stay on.
Yeah, but you see it? Oh shit. Maybe back up. Get me
Don't stay up, bro.
Yeah, there you go. Come on, nigga. Oh shit. Oh! Oh shit. Hey. Bro. What the fuck? Oh shit. That was wild. That's all we got. That's all we got today, folks. Thanks for tuning in. Woo! Oh man, somebody's gonna call the police on us. Somebody's gonna call the police on us.
Hey, listen, I ran right here. I forgot that it be hitting the houses.
Yeah.
I got right here. My shoe came off. I almost died. It one literally flew past me and almost hit my head.
Damn. Yeah, that's all we got, man. We did the best we could. We decided to get in the pool today. Nice 4th of July weekend, man. Get a little dip in. I bet I can hold my breath longer than you.
Nah, let's see. You want me to go underwater with you?
Nah, I'm a germaphobe. I'm not trying to put my face in this water. I seen a post where somebody said that chlorine doesn't clean everything. They don't clean everything. They said somebody caught an STD from swimming in the public pool.
What do they catch?
I don't know how true that is, but I think somebody caught something. I think he said chlamydia. Facts.
So chlamydia can swim. I'll be damned.
Chlamydia can swim.
I'll be damned.
It can live in chlorine.
Chlamydia.
Ain't no telling what else can live neither. And I got something to show y'all, bro. Have you ever seen a Sasquatch in real life? Follow me. Oh shit.
Dun dun dun.
Shit's crazy. That motherfucker got a whole lot going on. How the pool feel?
The water feels amazing. I feel like this is all I needed.
You too cool with these glasses on.
Yeah, man, I gotta leave a statement.
What's your statement?
My statement is to never be fashionably late. Always on time.
Girl. But the pool's about to close in an hour, so you was late.
Well, the party don't start till I come in.
Right on. Weak ass jump. They don't want me to go over and show them how to jump. They don't want me to go over and jump. I can't even swim though. Look at little brother. He can't be no taller than 3'6". He's ignorant though. He's ignorant. Get on, go ahead. Go ahead and jump. You too cool.
If I jump, he'll say
Shit. You on your own, 11 feet? Shit. You on your own with that.